Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's Sitrep. It is Monday, the 5th of February, 2024. We have started a new month, the second one of the year. So we have a fresh monthly candle to play with. We already had it last week or towards the end of last week, and it was absolutely fabulous. I mean, even better than expected. So yeah, let's see what this week brings. Let me see who's online already. Hello, Arnold. Good morning. Good morning, Rotten Cheese. Good morning, TCIP. Hello, Marius. Hello, Paul. Hello, Chaba. Yep. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you had a good weekend. Here we've already started with the carnival celebrations, and in my city already on Sunday, already yesterday, and it's basically going to be the next few weekends. Yeah, are you guys celebrating carnival too, or is it not too warm in South Africa for that? Oh, there's a new reminder. If you found this useful, drop a like and a subscribe. Yes, do that. It helps us a lot. All right, so the plan for today. We've got Bitcoin, and I have looked at 0 charts since Friday. That means Saturday, Sunday, I have no idea what happened. Really no idea. Like literally no idea. And this one I've actually left kind of the way it is. I haven't really done much or barely looked at it, so that it's kind of going to be fresh, just going with the flow and seeing how things develop and see what we can come up with. Yeah. Nasdaq is next on the menu, followed by the US dollar index, then the EURUSD pair, gold, and Ethereum. That's the plan for today. That should keep us to about 45 minutes to an hour, hopefully, so that you guys don't have to hang around for too long before moving along with your days, your busy days. Hello, Harun. Hello, Graham. And hello, Joren. Wow, so many people. All right, let's get going, huh? Yeah, Bitcoin, what did it do over the weekend? Let's have a look. This is the monthly candle, which for now is very close to where the month started. So I suppose that's the first thing we could already mark, the monthly open, so that on the lower time frames we know, are we above or below it? That's something that I sometimes do. Not much has changed in the sense of high time frame stuff, because the 50K res or resistance box is still well, it worked fantastically. Last month rejected off of it, and this month is not even close to it, so far at least. And there is no fresh monthly level of resistance. We covered that last week already on Thursday and Friday. Yeah, that this candle should have been red last month for this to be a monthly level. It is not. Yeah, it is simply green, green, green. So that would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this one would were to close above 42,540, it would be another green month in a row for a total of 6. So not bad at all, considering that these big downtrends here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, they were all 3 months. Yeah. And now we've been going 1, 2, 3 up for 3 months, but we're stuck here for now, well, a month at least, and now a third one starting. Yeah, so it's a very interesting area, definitely. But of course, since this was such a big area of resistance, it's not a surprise that price pulled back. And the question is, of course, what comes next? That's always the question in everyone's mind, isn't it? So that's our monthly open right there, and we can already see on the weekly time frame that we can define this stuck price action much better than on the monthly time frame, or we have more detail into it. So the first thing I would draw to the upside is, of course, the untapped weekly level. That's right, I said untapped. Price got extremely close to it last month, but it did not actually reach the level. So it's a front run. That means pending assignment. Yeah, that's the problem with front runs. You just don't get the job done. Yeah, so that it's always possible that you come back to it and get it done. So there's the very important level to the upside, 43,925. And the one to the downside is the fresh and untapped weekly level, now at 41,580, which was created here. And last week was not reached either, which brings us to the conclusion, to the upside and to the downside, we got homework to do. Big liquidity run to the upside, that was here. Big liquidity run to the downside, that was here. Yeah, all triple bottom, man. I mean, come on. That's never going to hold. Don't believe anyone that tells you otherwise. Actually, you shouldn't believe anyone at all. You should just believe in yourself. That's important. That is the take-home message of the day. So those two are already immediately for me very interesting levels. I am interested in getting involved here, and I'm interested in getting involved here. And everything that's in the middle is like, nah, do I really need to waste my time with this? I got better things to do. You know, it's like, nah. So let's hide the monthly open for a second and see what we got here. We have the 2 weekly levels, of course. That's one way to look at things. And the other way is to go like this. No, actually not like that. That's the smaller range. Another way is to take the fixed range tool. And if you're wondering what the heck this is, just come on over to Safe House. We got modules on this one and a very nice concise module on how to use this tool. And it shows that clearly we are very close to this big fat red line, which is the point of control, which used to be up here. Remember that? Point of control used to be up here, but now prices spend enough time down here that this little high volume node has beaten the other one. So now the point of control is here, and it could also shift up to 40, let's say 43K, where it is now. So we are extremely close to the middle. And that for me is a big no thanks. Yeah. I don't like it when price is close to the point of control because that's 50-50 land. Price can go up and price can go down at pretty much the same probabilities. That's a fresh daily level of resistance at 43,161. It has not been tapped yet. And by the looks of things today, we could expect it to get tapped today. Yeah, because price is almost there. It just needs to push up a little bit and boop, there we go. To the downside. Ooh. To the downside. Well. To the downside, we got this daily level now repeating for the second time. If this candle closes green, 42,540. This one has already been traded through. So that one, oh, that's far away. Yep, 39.9. Where's the weekly levels? Let me see. Oof. All right. Whoopsie daisy. That's a low one. Oh, hello there. That hasn't changed, has it? Since we looked at it last week. When was this time put in? On last Tuesday? Yeah, last Tuesday. Yeah, so this hasn't changed. The people is the same. Yeah, this is fantastic, man. 40K again. When was the last public stream? 22nd? 22nd, 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 22nd. Where's 22nd? Doop. 21, 22. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that was great. That was great. With the triple bottom standing there, it's just like, yeah, there's no way that's holding. Bam. Lows taken, liquidity taken. That was a nice one. That was a very nice one. But now, yeah, to the downside, I must say, you know, it has to break out of this local range. Yeah, that's the little fixed range pool that you saw up here. That's your local range, right? But if we zoom out on the higher time frame, yeah, it looks very nice. That looks very nice. Daily plus George special support. Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. So if you're in, well, I mean, do whatever you want. No financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. But if you're in a short position, or if I'm in a short position and a level like this is reached, I gotta take profits because it's a very nice support now. All right. And to the upside, well, you got the daily level. And of course, the value area high, which is very close to the weekly level. Yeah, that's your resistance up here. And let's see the fibs from the other side. Break on through to the other side. Ooh. Yeah, way too high. Oof. You have to go all the way up here then. Jeez. That's not so helpful. All right. All right. What else did I want to do? Oh, yeah, I need to show you something else. Let's put this in a folder here for now. We'll just call it Monday. We can turn everything off with one click. All right, good. What else did I want to show you? Have you noticed what price is doing now? It is called coiling up. The amplitude is decreasing like this. And it's not the first time I do this gesture on stream. So I hope you paid attention last time too. Because this is going like this. And this is going like this. What is that? All you textbook lovers. Yes, a symmetrical triangle. Very good. So, what does that mean? It's the same as when the Bollinger Bands go like this. An RSI, I already forgot, man. It's been years. The Rocket Science Index. I forget what RSI does. It's probably in the middle somewhere doing nothing and lagging like crazy. So by the time it shows you what it needs to show you, it's already too late. That's the problem with RSI. But hey, if it works for you, then use it. Okay. Chaba said I should do this. Nice one, man. Sorry that I spit on the microphone. That's another one. So we got like what, the yearly, the monthly, the golden pocket, the 1618 extension. What else was in there? The biggest point of control in the past 4 years. And now this. 6. And I probably forgot a few more. Oh my God, that's ridiculous. Yeah, but you can't look at it like this because that means the rotation to the downside is like 4K. That's crazy, man. Don't make me do that on stream. People are gonna go like, what? He said 9.5K. Yeah, but you know, no, level by level, please. All right, that's actually very funny, man. Now you threw me off. What was I saying? I don't know. All right, weekly levels. Oh yeah. Price was calling up on the daily. Yeah, now I remember. So what does this mean? It means that there's a ton of stop losses for long positions here, 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 and for short positions here, here, and of course here. So as price is coiling up or contracting, the amplitude is becoming smaller. People are becoming more and more impatient. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, and then everybody wrecked. So what do? Nothing. You wait. You wait, and then after one side is destroyed, or maybe both, then you come back in and pick up the pieces and protect your capital. Or, even better, since this is not financial advice, you don't listen to me and do whatever you want. Yeah, so, you know what? Last week was spectacular. Like, making my way downtown. Last week was spectacular. It's one of those weeks where I'm like, okay, I just finished the month way too early. And what do I do for the rest of the month? So today I think I'm not going to take any trades. And maybe tomorrow, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, maybe Wednesday. I'll try to aim for Wednesday. I think that's good. Because that should give it a couple more days with 2 New York sessions to, you know, do some interesting things. If something amazing comes up or super easy, fine. But otherwise, no. But what I can see already, oh man, I forgot to open Excel. Crap. I knew I was forgetting something. See, Monday. So that would be very interesting to see. I'll check it out later, guys, and then just post it on Discord. Oh yeah, we do have a Discord with a Vanguard section where we post more detailed stuff because here we have to kind of keep it for time reasons and everything, a bit of a rough overview for the week. But I'm gonna check out Excel later and see if I find any divergences and good stuff like that. But price is definitely coiling up. That's the take-home message for today. Okay, that means it will hurt before it moves on. So play it a little bit more, you know, cheeky, a bit more safe, I suppose. Take what the market gives you. Don't be greedy. Another point of control. Man, get out of here. What is this? This is ridiculous. Get out of here. This is crap. Look at this, man. It's screaming. This is begging, and begging for attention. And so is all of this. Boah, look at that. Igit. Here, okay. But man, this. What is this? 40. Oh, let's turn on the weekly levels again. Daily. Yeah. So if you hit this weekly, you take care of the entire downside, no problem. Yeah. If you go for the upper weekly, that's perfect. See, there we go. All of this analysis, all of this stuff, just to come back to the same conclusion. The weekly levels. The first 2 lines drawn on the chart. That's it. That's it. That's where I'm interested in playing. To be honest, I don't even care about the rest. Up here or down here. And then we'll talk again. On to the next one. Let's go. Nasdaq going up. Any questions? Congratulations to all the bag holders of any type of stock in the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq, to be honest. Well, I mean, not all stocks go up, of course, but you know, the juicy ones. It's insane, man. It's insane. That's how you go to the moon. That is going to the moon. That is it's been going to the moon for 150 years, and it continues to do so. It's just crazy. I don't even know what to say. It's fantastic. It's beautiful. What else is there to say? Same with the S&P 500. So this month, well, actually we can go on the monthly time frame. Last month was picture perfect. Yeah, that's the former all-time high. Picture perfect claim of the yearly level, back this and take off. We see this on the yearly. Look at that. That's textbook right there, man. Horizontal, close above, back this, go. I mean, wow. Just wow. So this month so far, uppity, uppity, up, very impulsive, not even a wick to the downside. Ooh. All right. This I would definitely mark. Look at that. That could be interesting. But not today. Today is Monday. I don't want to trade on Monday. I just said Wednesday. What is wrong with you? Ooh, it already took it? Oh, you're kidding me. Monday? Are you serious? But this is still Monday, right? So we'll use this one. Let me check again. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's good. Check on the daily again, make sure that I'm not... No, that's February already. I'm doing it wrong. Okay. That's the previous month high, that's it. What? Why is this marking it wrong? Oh no, it's a brain fart. But that is the previous month high. Yeah, Monday, January 1st. Really? Anyway, that pivot, that could be a nice liquidity push to the upside. Actually, you know what? We can do like this too to make it even simpler. Yeah, just the same high that was put in here on the 24th. It's a double top now. So what can happen here is this is super bullish. Yeah, that doesn't change anything. Yeah, it does retrace a little bit and then just pushes up again. So what we got here are, of course, possible stop losses for short positions. All right. So yeah, what could happen is the price goes up here, doesn't manage to stay up here, flips it back and comes back down. So that would give already a possible trade setup, yeah, swing failure pattern. That's a possibility, but be careful because this is super, super strong, super, super bullish. So besides, you know, something quick like that, it's more of a buy the dip situation on this one now. It's really, really, really strong. And there's just nothing on the chart saying otherwise. Now that's the way it is. If that changes, okay, then we can adapt to that. But for now, very, very strong. Okay. Very, very strong. I mean, it's not even coming out. It's, I don't think it's even hitting the 618, is it? Jeez, man. Just crazy. Yeah. 0.5 lol. Okay, that's it. I mean, there's really not much to say about this, except very, very strong. Okay, perhaps local range trading, you know, taking the highs and falling back in, like I said before. This one is very interesting. The US dollar index now, super interesting because it's above that yearly level. And that is a big, big, big question mark that has been keeping us busy for a while. And exactly for, let's count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, and finally 14 days, 2 weeks, 2 weeks dancing around, 2 trading, more than 2 weeks, yeah, because it's actually 3 calendar weeks then, since the weekends are closed. So a very, very long time fighting with this level, Is this a lower high or not? Market structure wise, of course, since it's been downtrending for a while. If it does like this, well, then it just continues the downtrend, right? But now it's doing something different. Friday was great. Oh, Friday was great. I mean, just the Wednesday plan with gold, Thursday, Friday news data, just wow. Anyway, if it starts challenging these highs over here, whoops, then we have a different situation because it's beginning to change market structure, and then it could start doing something like this, yeah? And that's when it gets very interesting because we can start playing with ideas like, okay, if let's say it makes the high somewhere over there, Hey, how do you like that precision, huh? I'm going to leave it like this. Take the highs and retrace so that this lines up perfectly with the yearly. Yeah, this would be bullish because it's challenging highs, changing market structure, which from here we can already start saying, okay, it seems to be changing to bullish. And if you challenge this clear downtrend here on this part of the chart, yeah, you see how it's like a big fat V, yeah, for Victor. Ha, ha, ha. No, it's just a V. Then it's more bullish. So this could be a very bullish scenario. Push higher, retrace back to support, for example, the yearly level, which is fantastic, and then push up again. Okay, that's an option that we can definitely consider. Downside, well, if it turns around like right here, then there you go. The yearly levels right there. That would be the next high time frame target. But I wanted to show you something else. Where is it? It's not here, but it's here. Ha, there you go. That is one level I would definitely mark, or I am definitely keeping in mind. That one and those highs here. You know, just that and that. Okay, these highs are interesting. This weekly level is also very interesting. Last week did not manage to close above it, but yet this week has already traveled through quite a bit. And I mean, it's just Monday. Yeah, so this is going very fast somewhere. And we haven't even we've barely started the week. It's the first London session of the week. New York is not even there. So, you know, take it easy, Japanese, you know. So these are the two levels that I'm definitely going to keep in mind for this one. If this continues higher, that means that the euro will continue lower. Yeah, which is something that I'm very much looking forward to. Not because I don't like the euro. I mean, I use it every day, so of course I like it. But for, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it says something right. Oh, you can't see the alert because it's behind me. Okay, I'll read it to you. It says EURUSD take profit weekly support. That's my alert. I don't know what that means. Of course, I know what that means. It means that if you're trading on demo accounts and you have taken a short position from up here, for example, a swing short or anywhere, and you reach a level like this, then it is a possibility to use it as a take profit area. That means realized gains because possibly a fresh weekly level like this can give a reaction. Usually it will start with something local, but it could be a possible place where perhaps a little bit of a turnaround could happen. Yeah, it can also just smash through like it's not even there. That's also possible because there's more interesting stuff lower. So very much interested in that too. How low? Well, it's very easy. All you do is take your fib pool from low to high. Yeah, you don't need any fancy equipment for that. And there it is. Yeah, there's your golden pocket. There's your 7-1 George special. There's your value area low. There's an untapped monthly level. So all you have to do is start finding stuff like this. And here we already see that there's another weekly level right there. I mean, we already had this on the chart last week anyway. And you can use, of course, other horizontal levels. High time frame are more powerful, of course. That's why weekly for a swing trade like this, weekly levels are interesting, monthly levels are interesting, yearly levels are interesting. And this one, 106.847, lines up with the bottom of the golden pocket very nicely. This weekly level that is just being tapped now is a little bit alone. So the reaction could be limited. Nevertheless, respected for what it is, I think. And yeah, you can use it accordingly. So my bias high time frame for this one is still more downside. And low time frame, let's see. Well, it doesn't look great on the low time frames either. Market structure is clear since this push up here at the end of December. It's been downtrending, sideways, 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 down again, sideways, sideways, sideways. Bangs up against the old floor, so to speak, of support here. Flips it to resistance right there and makes a new low. Yeah, breaks the support, tries to come back into the range, fails miserably, back out you go. Yeah, this was Friday with the juicy data that came out. And yeah, this continues to be bearish, so you can, or we can expect the bearishness to continue like this. Yeah, that would be continuing the market structure that started here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. If this is to turn bullish, then it needs to start doing something like this. And that would be a change in market structure. Okay. So it looks like more downside. What can I say? But it does for some reason turn around here spectacularly. Let's see. Then that point of control is going to be your biggest resistance, because that's the way it is. And of course, even better, that there's a daily level on top of it. So if it really gets pushing for whatever reason, 108.720, that's a place where that can end as well. You can, of course, take smaller fixed ranges with that. Yeah, there's your value here low. The internal point of control here, and once again, resistance area up there. And theoretically, if it really gets going like crazy and the US dollar is super weak, then you can start aiming for 110 again, basically up here, yeah? But, you know, as it stands, at least, it looks like more downside, yeah? And of course, there's very interesting, juicy stuff down here. We can even go in the 1 minute. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, if George is watching this, I know what he's doing. Paul? Oh, Paul is doing it, you guess. Paul. Exactly. That's what I meant. Let's see where's the VWAP. There's no VWAP today? Oh my God, it's so far away. What? Are you kidding me? Oof. Okay, 0.14. It's not that much. It's not that much. It's not that much. See, that's what happens when you zoom in. Everything looks scarier. Let me see. It's not that much. It's not that much. So I would mark that, and where's my daily open? Oh, right there. Yeah, that's it. Just there. Yeah. That's a good one. That's it. Just something like that. Yeah. I mean, for demo purposes, of course, no financial advice, but it is possible to go against the trend. But of course, it's more difficult. Yeah, there's a high chance that this is not going to work and just continue lower because of the downturn. But theoretically, you know, VWAP, daily open, that's a nice risk reward. Yeah, it's just, you know, here it's it needs to cook a little longer. And this is London session, so also not my favorite session, and it's Monday morning. And I just said I want to trade Wednesday, so, you know, take it with a pinch of salt, because I'm not taking this. I don't want to, just for personal reasons. I just don't want it today. But if this was a Wednesday, maybe I would. Yeah. Yeah, but that would be the idea. You know, you have to be very quick to say, okay, I'm wrong, get out. Just don't doodle around too much when you're going against the trend. You know. That's what I'm trying to say. I knew it. I knew you were doing it. Oh, you guys are crazy. Well, for you, it's not Monday morning anymore, so I guess it counts. All right, let's get to gold. How about them apples? How about them apples? And I don't mean the stock. Where's the... Oh, I turned everything off. Triple top, and we've covered this. George has covered this as well. The mother of all swing failure patterns, as described on a public video as well. A monthly level of resistance created freshly last week, and that's what we were covering in the group, Wednesday, Thursday. Actually, Wednesday we talked about this, yeah? Wednesday. And then we talked about Thursday, Friday, go up, hit the monthly, and reject. Bam! Look at that. Look at it. Just look at it. That's your former all-time high, yeah? We can hide that for now. And just go for that monthly level. That right there is beautiful. Hit the monthly, reject, lose the monthly open, and down you go. Where's the next monthly level? Here. 1848. What? But I just bought some gold because my grandma said. Okay, fine. Go ahead, man. But, you know, I'll see you at 1848. No. Take it level by level. Seriously. No need to panic. This moves slow. Actually, it doesn't, does it? Sometimes it moves very fast. But usually it moves very, very slow. Very, very slow. So, tapped. That's your next level right there. 2018. That's the next pit stop, locally speaking. That one has already been tapped. The next... Oh. So there's something on the way there too, huh? All right. But this is the one that I definitely need to have. So that's the monthly, that's the weekly. Perfect. That's it. That's your local range right there. We can just move down. I'm a spaceman. Maybe this one. Ooh, well, that's nice. Wait a minute. I know where this is heading. I might as well just turn on the other folder, huh? I might as well just turn on the other folder. I feel like this is like deja vu. This is deja vu, man. Where's my high time frame thingy? Thursday Fibbies? High time frame short idea? Yeah, that one. Oh, it's at the trend line. Yeah. So that was the idea from last Wednesday. To go up on the new month, which is now February, hit the area, reject, and make its way back down to that old monthly level. And where's the weekly from today? 2018. Oh, wow. Look at that. So that's the high time frame bias, but how cool is that it's exactly at the trend line now? Well, this makes it very easy in the sense that, and I'm not a big fan of trend lines, yeah, disclaimer, but you can use it to gauge the weakness. Yeah? If this is a, let's say, strong trend line, then it shouldn't be lost. Yeah, price should go back up. However, if you see weakness, then it's going to start closing candles below it, and then it's going to start going like this, bing, bing, and then it's going to head lower to here. So it's flipping the trend line to resistance. Yeah? Then the question is, what happens here? Does it grab enough firepower to start going back up, or does it also flippity flip and continues the downtrend to that monthly level, which is the higher time frame idea? Yeah. So this trend line is right now happening. You see, I'm gonna wait a couple days. I think it's gonna be a fun week. So if we do get some sort of a bounce from here, then wow, look at all those dailies, man. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be a crazy week, you know. You see why you need to recharge on the weekends? Because that one's untapped. That one's untapped. This is crazy. And that one too. And that one too. And that one too. There's so many daily levels. Jeez Louise, man. So to the upside, if this does want to look like an ascending triangle, then it has to bounce like right here, right now. Oh no, Fatboy Slim, I just said it. Right here, right now. And it has to start, you know, going like this. But I'm more of a that's more my bias, to be honest. But I'm open for anything, you know, whatever. Whatever the chart says, I will take it. Whatever New York says, I will listen. If New York speaks, you listen. I listen. I think you should listen too, but don't listen to me. Listen to New York. They speak much louder than me. All right, let's throw this on the folder and we're done. What else is there for me to say? Crystal clear. Should we leave a trend line on? Oh. Yeah. Trend line, huh? Mm-hmm. You never thought you would see a trend line here. Well, there it is. I prefer channels. I prefer parallel channels. Okay. So I think high time frame, a nice rotation to the downside would be great. And I'm open for possibilities of a bounce of, for example, this. Yeah, that would be the target exactly. 1989. 1989. No, 1979 is the song. Oops. Where did I put the other weekly level? It's embarrassing. Here somewhere. I think it was the first. Yeah, there one. That's the most immediate target now. I think hitting that weekly level would be nice. 2018. But you know, I'm okay with waiting. You know, being a bit patient. For a short position now, in my opinion, it's too late because it's already impulsing down. So I need some sort of a bounce or retracement, even if it's a dead cat bounce, to get back in. You know? So yeah, but looking good. I'm very happy that the idea from last week played out. That was that made the month basically. Literally. Okay, so Ethereum USD, the last one for today. Oh, we're very good on time, so I can answer some questions. Weekly to weekly was, I don't even know what that is. Above the yearly again. Yeah, exactly, above the yearly. Good morning, Adam. Hello, Alex. So Ethereum, well, I think you know what I'm going to say. Actually, you don't, but actually this one is a bit different because it does have a monthly level of resistance. So if Ethereum loses that monthly level right there, or basically you can just, to make it simple, if it loses the monthly open where this candle opened, then that's bearish. Yeah. Like, let's get going bearish. And, well, look at these lows, man. I mean, that's a trend line to be broken if I ever saw one. All these, yeah. That's just not good. Weekly levels, that's what I'm using on Ethereum. Wait, let me hide this for a second. Because that one has not been revisited and neither has this one. So they're both areas of interest, 2472 and 2256, okay? And all of this is, yeah, I don't know, man. Oof. Yeah, of course it can hold, but, lots of stop losses parked down there. So what do we have to the downside? A weekly, oh, there's a daily in there too. Hello. Is that the lowest available one, right? Yep, because everything else has been thrown through. This one here, oh, that's interesting. But that would be the other range. But for now, I mean, this is not a crazy area. Hmm. 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 Oh. Hmm. So the point of control on the 7-1 and the weekly. That's interesting. That is interesting. And what if we do it like this? What if we do it like this? Ooh. Yeah, like that. So 2216, huh? Wait, isn't that an old weekly level? It's an old weekly level, isn't it? Pretty sure it is. Actually, I can just do it like this. It's an old weekly level, isn't it? What did I say? 221 what? 2216, 2221. Yeah, exactly. That's the old weekly level right there. So that's the old weekly level. Now we have a repeat daily on it, 2216. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. Yeah. That could be interesting. I mean, I would much rather that all of these lows are taken because, well, you guys know why, right? Because of that. I'm not going to say the name. It's not public yet. But this could be interesting too. Maybe we get something to play with here. Yeah. Old weekly level and daily. I like that. Okay. But going back to this view, the weekly levels are very, very nice on Ethereum. It likes to travel within them really, really well. That's the old weekly level, and I think isn't there a third one even down here? Yeah, there's one a bit lower here. So they're very nice to use for reference as well. So I guess to the downside, this would be a very nice area of interest. Besides taking the lows down here, and to the upside, we've got okay, so might as well do both. To the upside, whoops. To the upside, we have this one. We can put it on here because this one has already been traveled through. Yeah, that would be nice. That's nice too. That's very nice too because it's a daily, and boom. Yeah, that's nice. So that would be to the upside a very nice place to go as well. Look at that. 2, 3, 4, 2, or down here. Yeah, once again, higher or lower. That's when probabilities start to increase. So since it's Monday, we just started, it hasn't taken those highs or those lows. It really speaks for waiting to see the probabilities increase as price goes to one side or the other and starts stopping people out. Yeah. because if we turn everything off again, you can already see that these highs are always lower. The subsequent ones are lower. And here the lows are higher. So it's doing exactly the same as Bitcoin. Compressing, coiling up, poof, explosion to follow. And then we get to play. Okay. That was Ethereum. Ethereum USD. I use the Bybit chart because it's the best. Very, very nice readings on that one. Let's see how our little cheeky trend line is doing here. Hey, it keeps changing. Wait, what did I have on the 1 hour? Okay, so in the 1 hour, it looks like it's okay. It's because I drew it on the higher time frame. That's why. I don't remember what time frame I drew this, and maybe on the daily. So from this time frame, it looks like it hasn't tapped it yet, and it depends on how you change it. It's gonna, yeah. That's why trendline. I don't like trend lines. They're too subjective. However, a parallel channel has 3 contact points to build, and if it then has respect over a long period of time, even better. Like the one on EURUSD was absolutely insane, absolutely insane. That kind of parallel channel is much more powerful than a random trend line that some guy drew. Yeah, that's why. But it's for orientation purposes. It's not bad. Still, I would prefer the weekly, to be honest. If you're this close, you might as well go for it. All right, that was gold, euro. Yeah, so this is not giving much of a reaction. Not surprisingly, because there's more interesting stuff lower. The dollar keeps pushing towards those highs. Okay, so it seems like that's the plan for now. Wow. Dude, if the dollar turns bullish, like really bullish. You guys better start sweating. This one is super strong. And this one we also covered in the middle of nowhere. And things to clear up on both sides, huh? Things to clear up on both sides. Okay, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and pop them on the chat. Otherwise, I'll wrap up the stream and I'll see you on Discord, where I will keep you updated throughout the day in case I see something juicy. George is also around. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like what you see. It helps us out a lot. And of course, if you want to see more stuff in detail, like exochart stuff, which is very good for day trading, order flow readings, gives you a little bit of behind the scenes information on how to approach this stuff that you just can't see on TradingView, or at least not with the same style and precision. Yeah. So if you like that stuff, then come on over and join us. We have a 2-week, we still have the 2-week promotion. Yes. Share the live stream with your friends. And also, we have a 2-week free trial. So you can basically check everything out for 2 weeks. If you like it, great. And if you don't, you can go. Nothing wasted, really. And yeah, I think it's a waiting game for now. Even if some interesting levels are being hit. I'm going to wait for at least today's New York session. But to be honest, perhaps even for 2 days. Well, I'm very busy today too as well. So that's another problem. Can't really trade if you're busy. That's something you should really be okay with. Request for any chance you can look at the Hang Seng Index. Ooh, wow. I don't think I have, but that was kind of fun. Should I do it? I have a little bit of time. Should I do it? Oh man. And because Paul just went, let's see, Hang Seng. Dude, I haven't even looked at it, so I don't even know what the call sign is. Oh, there you go. So which one do you use? What's the Hong Kong Exchange? GEC, HSI. What's this one? Hang Seng Indices. Should we try this one? This one seems to have a lot of... Ooh, wow, yeah. Let's take this one. This one looks like a biggie. It looks like a biggie. Hang Seng Index. Ooh. Asia represent. Do it. Fine. Holy crap, dude. 90% down in the last 6 months? What's going on, yo? 28% down in the last year? What the hell? What are you guys doing over there? What are you guys doing? Is it because of that thingy-majingy over there with the thingy? Jeez, man. What are you doing? Goodness gracious. Oh. So everybody's stuck up here. Oh my. That's nasty. How old is this chart now? Ooh, 87. Oh, that's a lot of time. Well, you know, the first thing that comes to mind is the fact that that's a very, very interesting. Oh, no way, dude. Oh my God, the yearly level. Look at that. Look at that. That's it. We're done. It has to go there, period. I don't want to hear it. We're making dumpling noodles. Yeah, you mean dumping noodles because you've been dumping price for 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th year down. What the heck is going on? If you don't believe in the power of yearly levels, here, I'll show you the upper one. How do you like them apples? Boom. Boom. Oof. Yeah, that's it, rotten cheese. There's nothing to think about here. For me, that's the one. Yearly level. It has to hit. Otherwise, I don't believe any type of bounce here is bullcrap. Can I say that on stream? It has to take those lows, 14,615. Because everyone and their mother has a stop loss there. Just ask your broker, and I'm sure he'll confirm, and then he'll get very angry because you told him that. Ooh, 786, nice, nice. Oh, that's the one. Look at that. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. That's yeah, it has to hit the yearly level because it just has to. Sorry, man. Yearly support, finally. What's your name? Rotten cheese. Rot in cheese. You see? Okay? Just for you, mate. Yeah, that's it. Well, that was a quick one. But seriously, what have you been up to? But you know, things can go down forever, and this is outside the value low of everything since 1987. In other words, it's too cheap. Okay? So that's good. That's a good thing. Ugh. What a downturn. What happened here? Oh my God, what a front run. That is so douchebaggy. Look at that. That is terrible. Oh my God, what a fake out for 1, 2, 3 months. And then just gives it all back. That's just so wrong. So wrong. That's what happens when you front run stuff. You see that? This one is a front run since November 22, man. That is just wicked. Yeesh. Oh yeah. I mean, because what? You like your noodles spicy. I mean, yeah, everyone and their mother has their stop loss here, dude. So what's driving this index? What are the biggest stocks in here? What are the biggest stock? What's the big boy here? What's the apple of this index? What are the big boys? Chip makers? Honest truth, we're trading S&P. Yeah. Deflation isn't good for the market. Well, S&P 500 is doing well, so it depends on which one. But yeah, that's if you want, you know, to the upside in case it does move up, then that's your level of resistance. That would be your monthly. Yeah, right there. Boom. But this has to go, man. This has to go. This cannot stand like this. This is ugly. So ugly. No way. Don't even want to hear anything else. Ooh, local trade, weekly level. Yeah. But always keep in mind that even though this is a high time frame support area, this is a pending assignment, and this is not good. Like, this will always drive me crazy to see a double bottom like this. It's just no good. Yeah, no good. Hang Seng Bank, Tencent. Tencent is the big boy. All right. Well, we're kind of pushing the limits. And not as well. Tencent Holdings. What, did I write it wrong? Tencent. What is this trading on? What is this? Thailand. What? Oh yeah. Oh, here. That's the one we want, right? Hong Kong Exchange. Tencent Holdings Limited. Let's take this one. Oh no, that's music. Let's take this one. 700. Yeah, it's the same chart. There you go. Basically the same. Oh no, actually it's not. Ooh. Oops. Oops. This is younger. It's not as old. Let's just see for funsies what people have been up to here. Oh, okay. So everybody bought down at $4. Oh, okay, that's great. Well, that's not very nice, is it? Ah, that's better. That would be a pull since 216. Oh, it's nice support now. So that would feed the yearly level bounce. Yeah, that's nice too. Just don't have any horizontals here. No monthly at least. Ooh, it's below the yearly already. So this one needs to reclaim that yearly level if you want to see any more upside. Has to go above this one. There you go. I'm a spaceman. Do, 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 do. Yeah, and the point of control. That's going to be a problem too. Do, 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 do. But yeah, they look very similar. But this one could actually get going if the other one takes the yearly. I think that yearly needs to be taken, man. This is not cool. This is just not cool. And of course, the beauty of this, actually, this is very cool. The beauty of this is that if price does push below here, it will trigger a lot of selling, very likely, of market participants with their stop losses here. And that allows for larger market participants to buy it all up. So that would be the thought process behind that. Cool. All right. HBSC, Alibaba, Tencent, China Construction Bank. Yeah. Well, I'm guessing, I'm going to take a wild guess. I've never looked at those stocks. Actually, Alibaba, I did look at it, but on the American listing, the New York Stock Exchange listing, but that was a long time ago. Electric Cowboy. How do you know? How do you know that? Oh man, I heard it this weekend for the first time, that song, and I couldn't get it out of my head. It was terrible. The Evergrande collapse brought down the Hang Seng Index. Investor fled the markets. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I don't think they fled the market. I think they just took some profits. And I think whenever stuff is on sale, it doesn't stay on sale forever. But that yearly level has to go, man. I want to see that yearly level hit. Otherwise, I'm not. This is a very persistent downtrend for many years now. It's broken all of this bullishness. Yeah, so you can say that this is a huge slap in the face because this was a clear uptrend since 1987 and it just got destroyed by the push down 2022. That's really, really bad. That's very bearish because this is the beginning of a lower low possibly. And that means whatever low it makes here, let's say it hits the yearly, goes a little bit low, it can rally up for years, but just to make a lower high. Yeah. So that's one thing we need to keep in the back of our minds. That this could bring decades of pain, even though there's areas of or phases of relief. Yeah. Decades of pain. Oh my God. Sounds terrible to say, but it is kind of really messing up market structure badly. Yeah. This is pretty naughty. But on the other hand, let's not get too dramatic. There's a yearly level of support. So, chill. Take a chill pill, remain objective, and listen to what the chart is telling you. And that right there, that's the only line I need for this chart. That's all I need to see. I'm really not interested in anything else. That's it. Wow, that was very interesting. Cool. Maybe we should do that more often. So I need to go quicker at the beginning so we can do cool stuff like this at the end. We'll keep that in mind. All right. Thank you for tuning in. I wish you a fantastic week. Stay safe. Protect your capital. Demo accounts until you know what you're doing. And yeah, take care. Hit the like and subscribe button. And have a good week. And I'll see you on Discord. Okay? Adios. Bye-bye. Tschüss. Sayonara.